Here is the recap of the Mi 11 Ultra launch. It is supposed to be the king of Android, and the specs match this description. The back of the phone is made from ceramic and has 3 camera lenses. The main lens features the GN2 sensor, which is the biggest sensor in any smartphone. The ultra-wide and telephoto are also impressive. Both have the IMX586 sensor. The periscope telephoto can zoom up to 120 times. The camera system also scored 143 points in DxO mark, the highest of any phone to date. Internal specs of the phone are as expected: a Snapdragon 888 with LPDDR5 RAM and a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged with 67-watt wired or wirelessly. The display is a 1440p OLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate. A big part of this phone are also its speakers that are tuned by Harman Kardon. It is also the first Xiaomi phone with a IP68 certification. Prices will start at €1,200.